I was on a trapeze, swinging amongst the most brilliant, brilliant stars I'd ever seen, suspended in a vast black velvet night sky. I rocketed back and forth through the heavens, the speed exhilarating, the vision intoxicating, my entire being exploding with the excitement of its newfound freedom beyond the straitjacket rigidity of its earthly overcoat. There was no sound except the rhythmic beating of a heart. Time did not exist. Nothing mattered. I knew some tiny part of me was being stabbed, and it didn't seem to be of any consequence. Thank you for your attention. She who survived in spite of you all.